Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your Instagram followers and Instagram following list. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then you want to head to the top right corner where you see the three straight lines. You want to click on the three straight lines and then you want to click on settings and privacy. Then you want to scroll down and you want to find a section that is called Who Can See Your Content. You see, account privacy is the first option. You want to click on the account privacy. Currently my account is public, but if I want to hide everything, I can simply toggle this on and it will turn my account private. What this actually means? This means that all the content that I previously posted, all the followers that I have, all the following people that following me, simply will not be available for other people to see. My content only will remain available for my current followers, and everyone who comes to my profile and sees, for example, I have 100 followers and I'm following 100 people, they will be able to see the number 100, but they are not going to be able to click on this number. They're not going to be able to scroll through my followers or through my following list. This is very important. This is how you keep up with your privacy. This is how you prevent particular people to, dig in and essentially trying to, create something negative for you or your own content. This is how you actually go about providing a protection on your following list, on your followers, and on your content. Again, a very important note is that if you have a business account on Instagram, you're not going to be able to turn it into private. From business account, you have to go back to the personal account and then you can make your personal account private. This is very important note. I want to make sure you guys are aware of this. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.